Hello, good morning in the Philippines and good evening dito sa New York. Right now I am making orange chicken, barbecue orange chicken. This is gonna be good for white rice. Kasi very lambot yung ano niya. The chicken is very soft, like peel off from the bone. So good. I put garlic powder, peppers, a little bit of salt, then orange. Ayan, almost ready na siya. So I had to put the orange sauce. And see, you can see. Orange sauce. So ganito. Chinese ano to eh. Panda Express flavor. My favorite thing. Tapos nakakamay ka. And very very soft. Oh my gosh. Okay.
I got to about 6 and I'm done.
About 6. What do you want dinner? I got orange chicken.
Oh, I'll have that tomorrow because I'm hungry now.
Okay. Ayan, the orange chicken is done. One thing I love about this chicken, it's very, very moist. So when you eat it, it's just like fell off, see? Like just so soft. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh. Like, it's so tender, like peel off from the bone. Yeah, you touch it, it's just like peel off, and it is very very juicy. I don't like to cook a chicken that is dry, like. Sometimes you go to the restaurant and then you order chicken. Some chicken is like dry, like, or they're not soft or moist, like a barbecue chicken or any kind of chicken stuff, and I can't stand that. So I created my own version of barbecue chicken and original chicken, orange chicken, and when you eat it, it's just like very, see, just like so moist, like. And every time I have a party for 18 years, I always like make this chicken, like barbecue, sometimes spicy chicken, barbecue, and everybody loves it because they're just like fell off, like very moist. And so that's why when somebody wants to like, it's so very tender. My goodness. Orange chicken is traditionally Chinese, but some orange chicken they made in like like no bone. But see, I like this kind of part of the chicken because it's like dark meat, but the flavor of the chicken is very good. So I created my own version of orange chicken. So that's my version of my orange chicken. It's it. Also after I cook the orange chicken, I cook puto, sticky rice. So good. The orange chicken and see how soft the meat, it's so tender, like, and then I got sauce, and my daughter, she make her cupcake and she has her own version, the chocolate, and this she put it inside the cupcake. My daughter loves to bake. She's gonna be a good baker someday. Gonna be. My goodness, super sarap. Let's eat. Especially, I love the crunchy. Parang lechong baboy, lechong manok. Very good. Very, very yummy.